This is a remote viewing. I have used a psychic method to look at a human individual. During the remote viewing, I did not know who the individual is. I only knew that my target is a famous person. I only find out afterwards who it was. After the remote viewing, the person was chosen randomly from a website that lists hundreds or thousands of famous people. A happy personality. Likes to go toward people. Likes to feel bad. Goes out often. Likes to meet new people often. Is a charismatic individual. Likes to write paper letters. Gets eager to send them paper letters. Doesn't know how to relax. Is a very eager personality. Likes to be a smart dresser, like a formal business suit. Likes to make people laugh to audiences, a comedic guy. Has one bad tooth that is nearly falling out. Cries often, but not real tears, a kind of ocular degenerative stress causing the tears formation. Likes fine fabrics and quilts. Looks at the thread count often on fabrics. Comment: thread count is one indicator of the quality of fabrics. Likes to go to parties and drink cheap wine. Is cheerful then. Is a man. Likes to give wrapped presents to everybody. Is not a football star, but likes to feel like a fashionable guy. Likes to feel elegant, and is also a bit nosy about what other people are doing. He likes to feel magnificent for women. He likes to feel admired by most. Is not ashamed of himself. Is a movie actor. Likes to be seen. Likes to be recognized. Is always friendly and sociable with others. Likes to give an autograph. Is easily recognizable too. Likes to give presents with luxury items. Dior, a luxury brand of items. Is relaxed in jeans pants. Uses some kind of powder makeup. Can be a little bit rude sometimes. Likes to talk and be seen. This is not a child, but has a very childlike attitude. Doesn't own any guns. Is a very peaceful individual. Likes to talk with everybody who meets him.
I really like to go to a party where people are looking good.
This guy acts like a clown. A ballet dancer acts on a stage. Looked like a theater stage with big red curtains and lots of seats for the audience. Reading from his biography on the famouspeople.com website. Paul Rudd is an American actor who became a teen sensation after his breakthrough role in the comedy film Clueless. He soon worked his way up, earning more roles, and went on to star in a number of hit films. He became popular after playing the role of Scott Lang Ant-Man in the movie Ant-Man. He has also appeared in numerous television shows and series. Born in New Jersey, Rudd went to the University of Kansas to study drama and later attended the British American Drama Academy. He has established himself as one of the most popular actors in Hollywood. He also worked and starred in theater productions before venturing into the film industry. He is a screenwriter and successful producer too.